In this lesson, we are going to take a look at how we can modify our layouts. To begin with, I want to rename this layout. It's currently called Layout 1. It's set to go to a C-size sheet of paper, so I want to rename it to C-sized. In order to do that, I can right-click on the tab here and choose Rename. Then I can just simply type in the new name and press Enter, and the tab has been renamed. Next, I want to create a new tab, and I have a little plus button down here on this tab to create a new layout. I'll go ahead and select it, and you can see that I get another layout with a generic name. I can click on it, and it's basically set up for my default printer and my default paper size. I can then go ahead and modify that page setup. Rather than going through all that effort, I am instead going to copy the existing one that I already have. So I'm going to delete this tab by right-clicking on it and choosing Delete, then OK. I'm going to right-click on the C-Size tab and choose Move or Copy. Then in the little dialog box that appears, I'm going to choose Move to End and create a copy, then click OK. Now you can see I have a new tab here called C-Size 2. It's already set up to go to the same printer as the C-Size tab, and it already has a title block and viewport in it. So you can see some time savings there. If you've already got one layout set up, rather than start a new one from scratch and modify it, why not just copy the one that's already there? Finally, if you want to reorder these, you can right-click and choose the Move or Copy option, but you can also just click and drag these tabs as well. So here you can see I moved the C-Size 2 in front of the C-Sized. You can also use this method to copy by holding the Control key. So if I click and drag and hold the Control key, it will actually create a copy for me as well. So to summarize, if you want to modify your layouts, you can do a lot of the things with a right click. We can rename, we can delete them, we can move or copy them as well. That concludes this lesson on modifying layouts in AutoCAD.